Okay, level 4. The perimeter of a rectangle is 36 inches. Find the length that will produce the maximum area for the rectangle given the perimeter. So here we're going to draw a rectangle, and I'm going to label the width and the length. Now, I want to get this area of a rectangle that is represented only using one variable. So I'm going to try and find some way that I can represent L using W. Knowing that the perimeter of the rectangle is 36, if I add up the sides that I have now, I have 2L plus 2W, that should equal 36. Now, if I divide everything by 2, L plus W should equal 18. Again, I wanted to find something that I'm going to substitute in for L. So if I subtract W from both sides, now I've got this equation that I can substitute in for L. So instead of having two variables, now I have one. So if I find the area of this rectangle, I multiply the length times the width. And I have a quadratic that's going here. And now if it's asking for the maximum area, I want to know what the vertex point is. So I'm going to take the opposite of B over 2A, which is going to give me a positive 9. And I'm going to substitute that back in for W to find out what the maximum area is. So I got 18 times 9 minus 9 squared. And that's going to equal 81. So the maximum area equals 81, x equals 9, or w equals 9. So if w equals 9, I'm going to substitute that back up in here to figure out what the length is. So the length also equals 9. So it says find the length that will produce the maximum area. Well, the length is going to be 9. The width is going to be 9. So when it's asking for the partitions in part B, that's just asking for the dimensions, 9 by 9. So while it said this was a rectangle, it actually came out to be a square if it's got the perimeter of 36. In order for us to produce the maximum area, this is actually going to be a 9 by 9 square.